Welcome in the kitchen. So glad you're here. If you're new, if you could hit that subscribe button for me, greatly appreciated. If you've been here before and you're already a subscriber, thank you and thanks for coming back. I'm in supper mode and this is Sunday, so I try to do a dessert. I'm going to do these blooming apples. Everybody knows what a blooming onion is. Deep fried, this and that. Well, these are baked. I've already got 3 of them done. I'm going to show you how to do one of them. You see how they just come apart, but it's not all the way through. I'm going to take this right here. I've got an apple. I'm going to center it. I'm going to bring y'all over here so you can see because I've just got to do one more. I'm going to pull y'all down here. All right, can you see good? And then I'll move y'all back up. All right. I put it on this towel so it won't slide. The apple won't slide. Can y'all see that? And we're just going to go almost all the way through this apple, but not all the way. See, I did not go all the way through. You see that? You want to stop right there and take it back down. I still broke a piece off, but that's okay. I'll put him back on. I'm going to pull this core out. I'm going to break that core. I'm going to try to. See, I just reached in there and got that core and broke it off. And this one I'll pop right back up on there. Then I'm going to put it over here in our dish. See our apples in our dish there? All right. Now then, in this bowl right here, I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And to that, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Packed brown sugar. 3 and 4. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. If you like more or less, adjust it accordingly. There's our teaspoon of cinnamon. I've got that put in my little jar yet. Let me grab me a spoon. All right, we're going to stir this up. Now we're going to put it right over top of these apples. This is a good fall dessert, but you know what? This is spring. And I just bought these little small apples and thought, they'd be good. I got us some vanilla ice cream to go on top of them. That's what we're going to have for dessert. Now we're going to pour this right over the top of these apples. Can y'all see? Or let me just spoon it down in them. How about that? Because it doesn't want, that sugar's not melted. Right like this. Just going to spoon it down in the middle. The actual recipe calls to use caramels, but I went to Aldi today, to the grocery store, and they didn't have any. So it's okay. We'll do it without the caramels. They will still be wonderful. Now these go into a 375 degree oven, and I'm not sure the time. I'll let y'all know in a little bit because I'll have to look back at my recipe. Something in my eye. They go in a 375 degree oven until they're done. And all that yummy, yummy brown sugar is going to cook right down into those apples. And you put you a dollop of ice cream on that. And I could bet they'll be good, don't you? All right, I'll see y'all back in just a little bit. All right, you all. I got these out of the oven. Look how they've baked up and they've kind of bloomed out. Y'all can see where they're kind of coming apart, especially that one up there on the left. And they've just baked down and cooked really good. They're not mushy soft. They're still holding together, but they're cooked. And they baked about 30 minutes, I guess. I told y'all I'd tell you about how long they baked. And I'm going to show y'all how to make a caramel sauce here in just a second. Okay, I've got y'all back there. Let me move y'all out here. I don't like you back there. You know, we've got our apples. Yummy, yummy apples. We're going to put a caramel sauce on there with those, okay? So in my saucepan right here, I have a cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to cook this until it gets all dissolved and it's all real happy. And then we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of butter, which it says unsalted, but I've got salted. It'll be fine. And a 1/2 cup of whipping cream and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. So they're just going to let this cook here a minute. Just needs to cook about 5 minutes maybe. Got it turned down about medium. And this will just really set our apples off. Make them so yummy. Got the dog in here. I don't know what she's doing over there. She's into something. She's into something. Andy's in there talking about diapers. He's always been fascinated with diapers, y'all. I don't know why, but he's always been fascinated with diapers. Okay, this has been cooking about 10 minutes. Can y'all see in the pot? Now we're going to add our 6 tablespoons of butter, and this will bubble it up right in there, just like that. I want that to whisk in there really good. Just want to keep it whisking until it's all melted. Okay? It's almost like a candy. Can y'all see how caramely it's looking? Y'all over here. Put y'all down there where you can see good. See that? Got just a little more butter. Ouch! Popped out on me. That's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Nothing's hotter than hot sugar. All right, and a 1/2 cup of our whipping cream. A little bit stuck there, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. Stir that in. Whoa. And a little bit of vanilla, about a teaspoon, or more. I got a little generous there, didn't I? That's all right. Just keep stirring this. Now then, we're going to let this cool before we put it over our ice cream, because it would melt our ice cream, wouldn't it? I am going to try to taste it without burning my whole mouth off. I'm going to blow on it like forever to cool it off. See, doesn't look good? Because it's still boiling, you all. Mmm. Oh, heavenly days. Is that not delicious? Yum. Put this on ice cream. Y'all know I usually put anything sugar, I add salt. This I did not add salt to. Turn y'all up here. Did not add salt to it because I used salted butter. Okay. All right, I'll be back when I get ready to put our apples on the plate with our ice cream and our yummy, yummy caramel sauce. Okay, well, we're ready to serve up our apples and our caramel sauce and our ice cream. There we go. Take us an apple right like that. I've lost the ice cream scoop, so we're just going to use a spoon. Ice cream. some caramel sauce. Look how yummy that looks. Andy, turn the lights back on. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. There you go, buddy. Mama, get you a spoon. Now then, we'll fix one for Daddy-O. Open that apple up. Look at that. Put a little bit of extra cinnamon on that. Mm-mm-mm. And some ice cream right there in the middle. I'll get a bigger spoon for the sauce. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Doesn't that just look divine? Yummy. Doesn't that look heavenly? All right. I'm going to tell y'all to do some things like I do at the end of every video. Remember to like, that's the thumbs up, share it everywhere, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.